Making a tweet is like a war for me. The hashtag things, I still struggle with them. Anyway. ودك تشاهد شخص يبرمج على عندك فضول محركي عند أسوي البث مباشر. I don't know, should I leave an English message as well? I don't know, I need to publish myself. Publish myself. What the fuck am I saying? Okay, I need to calm down. Wanna watch at on they SMI to the game engine may work good as in this live stream. What the hell am I doing? I don't even have energy today to work. Since yesterday, I stopped the stream at 11. Oh, my cell phone is away, which is a good thing because I shouldn't be distracted. Anyway, so what's going on? My cell phone won't shut up. I need to kill it. I believe some people retweet my work, which is good. Thank you. Yeah. Jesus, 2 of us like tweet. I don't know if they retweet the work. Thank you. Anyway, yesterday I couldn't finish the tasks that I was planning to do, even though I thought I would never finish them even in a week because I really I'm not strong bad. Don't like to deal with the Excel exporters. This is for the research for the new stories that I'm looking into in the 60s. The swingling 60s and the 60s. So let's close it because it's not our matter today. And I should finish what I started. So dialogue importers. Yes, I was dealing with the importers and I'm trying to make a test. So let's take a look. Start the timer, pray, check if the microphone is on, and here we go. Okay, where were we? Oh, they are open already? Okay. We successfully loaded the choices and it showed in here. We could focus today on showing the scripts and the condition tag and the finish tag for the choices, but the thing is, I was wondering how could I do that, and I just got the idea. I got a wonderful idea. The thing is, I don't think I will use this section. I might delete it. As he say, either he's with us or against us. I don't think I want to delete choices because that will complicate the stuff. And actually I like the idea how whenever I go through all the dialogues, I memorize which one has choices to show all the dialogues that have choices, and Trump, I don't care about you, get out. I like these moments when I have doubt. Should I delete? Should I not? Should I do? Should I not? I don't believe I will ever delete my choices when I when I when I when I when I when I import them. So here we could show the scripts and the tags in here. Well, we could meow, 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 meow. Oh God! Fuck dismiss! Fuck you! Ah! Okay. I'm sorry with all these bursts. I shouldn't have them, but I just okay. Oh my God! Oh my God! The amount of distraction just is. But I need script condition tag, even though this is confusing, but there you go. Okay, so when we choose one of these suckers, here we could check if the existing choice is different or not. And actually, yeah, I have to deal with a lot of conflicts. Should I keep the old? Should I destroy the new? Should I make a new option for it? It's a little bit confusing. Because I already have some options to keep the old choices, which imported from the dialogues of the conversations. So for my reference, so because I used to import them before to read the proof, and when they create them, it moved the new ones, and the new ones didn't have choices because the importer didn't or couldn't import and export choices. Hey. So that thing should be the default, you can say. No, actually the opposite. It shouldn't be the default. Okay. So actually that choice make more sense now. Before it was you don't have a choice. If you don't do that you will lose them. Now you can override or keep the old. And that's the thing that was debating myself 5 minutes ago. Should I delete the delete section to have an option which one to override and which one not? But now it seems I'm happy with just deleted. So let's delete all of these and put one here. And in here we do the select change. Come on. Cut it. Go back, put it here, and now while we filling this sucker by using this sucker, we should check if it exists in the original sorry. I could make it in one line, but it would look more ugly than I could take, even though a lot of people hate how I code everything in one line, and they prefer to put everything in empty line, including this parentheses, which can give me a heart attack when I see 1000 code, 700 lines of empty lines because of one parentheses. If selected, I forgot what was the name. Ha ha ha. Yeah, I'm still not awake. I need more caffeine, I guess. Even though I already drank way too much. My body refused to wake up. Where were we? Yes, there's. I need to find a selected file dialog. First of all, let's check if this sucker exists. But actually, the sucker must exist. If it doesn't exist, then we have a problem. But actually, no, it can not exist when the file is empty. So, contains key. And, wow, that was huge. And, this sucker, can you even target with your mouse? Am I a drunken programmer today? A drunken without a drink? Silver with a pink? I don't know. What do I say? Sing, zing, zing. Okay, focus. Choice dictionary. Controls key. This sucker. So this is Sparta? No, not really. So we take this condition down, and if all of these are real, then you're living in Israel. No? Okay, I need to stop drinking. Box or items add. Actually, there's one condition left to check if they are the same or not. CK value has same choices. What am I doing? CK key. Okay. Darn it. We need either to cut these in half in this side or from the bottom to make them very, very cute. No? Even though the scripts is the largest, because I'm not going to use it, I'm afraid we need to have it. Have it. So let's make this one into 40. This is ridiculous. Really? How can you check the scripts if different if this is that size? Okay. We need to put the button to check the old. I mean the size. I mean whatever. Because I hate myself, but that's a synonym to I'm alive. What the hell am I saying? Because the real reason this time. I don't usually care how this the choices what they have. I just want to import the suckers from the file and put them there. If you find me talk to myself, I'm sorry, because that's what usually happen when I'm way tired and want to force myself to work, and I just keep talking to myself. So this button should expand the choices tab. So what should we call it? I don't know. I'm too tired to even think. What did we call it in the micro? No, I didn't even give it the name. Just for Q choice. Yeah, checkbox, whatever. I could give it the same treatment. It's harsh, but life is unfair. What's the event that I gave it? I'm too lazy. Way too lazy. Way too lazy that I'm copying the code. I don't want to even reinvent the wheel. But I'm making a 2D game engine. Oh god. God bless. Check change. Chop change. Chop bang. Okay. Chop change. Okay. Oh, they are in the group box. Okay. Actually, I could return the deleted list and keep this fiasco on as well. So what do we need to do? We need to memorize the tab control size. Really? God damn it. But default setting is invisible anyway. And this sucker location. So far, no one is watching, thanks God. And now we have the group box, which we don't have yet. I have no idea. Let's just move it. Don't need to resize it. Oh, who cares? Let's make it bigger than the interior. Who cares? I mean, seriously, who cares? Okay. So we are creating text boxes that show the old info, which already exists in the file, to compare between the two. And I should separate the hot and the cold, and good and evil, and coffee and soda. You move away a little bit, thank you. So this thing in nature is invisible. And this thing in nature, its location is this. And this thing in nature has this size. Oh, come on. He refuses. Blasphemy. He completely refuses. Oh, okay. Because I was selecting the wrong tool. Okay. So this thing, make GB1 visible false. 2, we don't need to move the location. Oh wait. Oh yeah. But Midusuke. Tab control. Do set size. Come on, size. Size Ion. Awesome. All right. Now we come to this idiot. We filled this idiot, and we done that idiot, and voila. In here, if ED box R ED Wait. Are you mad? Are you mad? Da-da-da-da. 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 I'm screwing up. I'm really screwing up. This choice is more complicated. Maybe I just need to select the stupid thing instead, and the selection will do the change. But no, we don't want to make the selection. Wait. Give me a second. Choices dictionary. Isn't there like no? Okay. But this is not the end as much as Nightmare from Soul Calibur 2 will insist. This is not the end. Oh, we need to fill the script. C script is equal something, and C tag is equal to something, and C F tag. So this one set script, and this one set And this one, set ctag. Alright. And here we have similar things. Bits. And instead of the decays, we use the one from the selected dialogues. And that's it. Game over. Game over. Let's see. They are a little bit different than how the dialogues works, but we are not done yet. We are not done yet. Let's check the import, the most important crap. This one. So here, if we have the keep choices, it will just take the all choices. If not, it cloned them. So the clone should automatically change them. So this should automatically actually override the choices. But as I said, there's no option to keep some or leave some. Instead, it just override all of them. Because if I want to keep some or deep some or dip some or trip some, I won't be able to just clone them. I need to make some kinds of wacky things like, oh, that one should stay as it is and this one not stay as it is, and I don't want to do that, to be honest. Anyway, I didn't count they exist, even though set to do later, I guess. I'm afraid we need to test it. Okay. So we have the empty campaign, and we have the backup campaign, and we have the dance around the moon. This is freedom. This is freedom. Okay, where's the spare one? Yeah, my old nickname was Freedom when I was like in elementary school, intermediate school. When I took it from Braveheart. I understood that word. I understood what does it mean, freedom, but not what really mean. And I really loved it from the movie, from the actor. I forgot his name, even though I used to worship him, watch all his movies, Lethal Weapons stuff. And I always believed he's from Scotland, but anyway, I was a kid, foolish one. Where were we? We're not talking about Braveheart, are we? Yeah, the spare suckers. Okay, so we have the empty one and the backup one. Okay, great. We are going to kill something. 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 Fastest load ever. So we have the campaign. I was going to say empty, but I'm open. This is the general info. Conversation, empty, nothing. Dialogues, empty, nothing. So let's try to import them. I forgot how. You do this, you do this, you do open, you do khabal, and you do this. And you wait 7,000 years. Oh wow, it says the sound is 0 bitrate. What is he saying? Are you killing me, lad? The sound is 0. The audio stream currently bitrate 0 is lower than the recommended bitrate. We recommend that you use an audio stream bitrate. How? He keep nagging me about the stupid things, and I have no clue what is he talking about. Yeah, enable audio stop. Yes, yes, yes. I have no idea how to change that. Can't get out. Get out of my way. Okay, so where were we? So crushed. Oh, why the choices is the second one? It should be the first one. So in the choices, we have this choice. Oh, I thought it crashed for a second. And when we click yes, no, it show nothing. What the hell happened? What the hell happened? It should show the scripts. At least it showed the thing in here. But it doesn't show the script, so what the hell happened? Happened. Okay, let's take a breath. Take a break. Calm down a little bit. And go and die. Oh, no, don't go and die. Devil my car. Oh, don't devil my car. Oh boy. Lies. Lies. Oh wait. Maybe I didn't export them. Let's go and check. Um. Or maybe I didn't code how to import them. Yeah, there's a tag. There's the script. Wait. Wait. Wait! Oh yeah, this the script is empty. Anyway, but the tag is there, so lies, lies, lies. Oh wait, since the tag, it should be set if tag. He won't be happy with this, but hey. Ta-da! Oh yeah, this finish tag thing is in the way, so let's move it to the middle of something. Or make these smaller or whatever. But this is not the important thought, important cart, important dart, import. Just who cares? Great. Ta-da! We got all the dialogues. Are they? How much of these? How many of them? I don't have a counter. Darn you! Darn you, you devil middle mother. Um. Meow. Meow. How do I add dialogues here? Well, I must select one of them first. Okay. So, I believe I successfully died. I mean, cried. I mean, whatever. Let's see which of the dialogues have little suckers. I mean, choices. Why it's taking forever? Ta-da! It has yes and no, and yes has no and has and it does have all the skirts. Let's and like and no and all right. 12 B12 12 12 12 have yes and no, and it does go go to next CD B12 1 and 2 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 13. So yeah, works. Let's check the last one just because I'm an idiot and I don't trust my code and maybe I missed one. So ta-da! None of them have none of them have differences. So what we're going to do, I'm going to change some of them, like this one. Oh, this is the idiot. You're idiot. You're idiot. You're idiot. I will delete this word. And in CD1B12, and this one I will delete the skirts. Oh, I didn't save. Idiot! Alright, we will save. Do the import. And die! Okay, you need to calm down a bit and take less weed or whatever. Take a glass soda, I guess. And let's check if the stupid thing would detect them. And more importantly, if it's going to override them. Haha. Oh fuck, I didn't close it. I'm not sure what's So I got some likes, but no one is watching. Sad. Most of them are bots, I believe. No, really. That's sad, but whatever. I used to have an audience on Live Code TV, even though a lot of people have much larger audience. Well, I was happy with the 125. I was really happy with them. And Screw Attack. Oh, actually, no. Because I have no new one. It didn't. Oh. Boo. Boo. You killed me. You killed me. You killed. Oh. Because the dialogue doesn't have any differences, but it have differences in choices. I didn't check if all the dialogues have differences in choices or not, and that's why I didn't show them. So there are two ways to solve this. Either to depends on a different list, completely different list of dialogues that have different choices, but the dialogues themselves are the same, or make the dialogues consider. Oh come on, cell phone, shut up. Consider that if I have different children than yours, then screw you, my friend. You are different than I. So something like that. But that will generate another problem which I need to solve, another case. What if one of them have three children, three choices, and the new one says you have seven? Aha! So, oh, excuse me. So, time to kill him. Time to kill this goat. So, the easiest way is to make a check if my battati have more choices. That dialogue choices count is not equal to choices count. Turn false. I mean, and for each k value string, string and choice and death and demons and crap, ck and me. If ck value has same choices of this guy of ck keep, and before that we need to check if this idiot exists first or not. So return false. I know. Give me a second. I know. How do I code? How did I write the condition before I write the if condition? I mean, what's wrong with you? Okay, so if this guy doesn't have this, or this should solve the problem. To kill everything else, including the canary, let's copy the code and put it in the engine. Because this is oh, it's considered campaign crap, not no. Where is it? It's either in the map or in the campaign. It shouldn't be in both. Oh Jesus. GUI. Oh yeah. I moved it. It's a GUI section. Okay, GUI. So dialogue. Screw you. Dialogue. No! Check the whole solution. Control profile. I want to check here. Current document. Oh, come on. It exists before the set dialog. before, after. Oh, it doesn't have because we don't care. No, I care now. Get the hell out of here. So here, and this guy. Actually, I don't need it in the engine. So yeah, remove it. I don't need it. You're right. Okay. Oh, then why did I go? I thought I could. Okay. So let's test it again. So the current idiot have faulty choices, but the dialogues themselves look the same. I mean, the dialogues have the same localization, so it's now it takes more time because it has dialogues. Okay. Ta-da! Did I get secret passages? Yeah, I didn't reverse these two again. Yeah, it would be nice if I know what the heck is he doing in here. Putting a label in here, telling me, hey, I'm screwing up. Hey, I don't care about what you're doing. Hey, I'm just wasting your time. Stuff like that, you know? Good stuff. And there you go. It says these have differences, but when you go there, I'm just like, I don't see any differences. It's the same localization in here and here. Why it's different? What's going on? Why are you killing me? And you come here and just like, yeah, there's no difference. You see? I see. Yeah, just me. It didn't change this one. Oops. And it takes forever to open this. I don't know why. What's wrong with him? What's wrong with him? I never seen C# like this get stuck when you click on it. Hey. So it says this one doesn't has hold. Oh, maybe I copied. This one is completely deleted. Really? Oh, I'm fucking up, don't I? What's going on here? Did I reset the other one? I'm fucking up in all cases and everywhere. I only add one and it just fucked up. And what the hell is going on? So we don't need a micro. Get out of my face. And why the dialogue is reversed when I start the thing? Why is reversed? In here it's not reversed. When I run the program, it's reversed. What's wrong with it? It's almost like if there's something reversed whenever I open this stupid thing, which is a mysterious for me. But in here, let's Okay. Okay, let's test it again. That was fast. This is not. Ah, the data for the dialogues take a little bit more than the data of the choices for the conversation. I mean, conversations and events, which is logical. I really hate you. Why did you switch between the two? What's wrong with you? How the hell did that happen? And now my tooth hurt. Our teeth hurt. That's what I need. So again, it's so it changes. Why doesn't show the other one? Because there's no other one. Okay. So here it says I do. This one is. It should clear this out so it doesn't make confusion. So this one is deleted. Mm, okay, so this one has the difference in the Arabic. I have no clue what did I change in this one, but apparently it doesn't has the script deleted. What about this one? This one, no, they are apparently they're fine in this one. Then why it didn't pass the test? So let's see why this CD1P2 didn't pass the test. I thought I didn't change CD to be blah blah boo doo ah ooh ooh. Mm, now how can I do that? Let me try to see if I screwed up this one. So this one says if the language is not equal, which is weird. And this one if each localization is not equal. And this one if the script or the tag or the other tag is not equal. So apparently this one is I'll go check. Let's see what's going on here. This one says if you have a different number of choices. Did I have a different number of choices? Did I delete choices? I don't think I deleted the choices. The thing is to only show you the ones that have differences. And this one, it seems it passed the test. And it doesn't show if this one didn't have choices. And I need to remember to remove this every time. But apparently this guy didn't has choices. Or because there is no one in the world. Yeah, it would be nicer if it showed me what is different. And instead of me as a user trying to guess what the hell is going on. I wonder how can I do that? Innovation! Haha! Anyway. Okay. The ultimate fucking test. Import. So now I go the importer. It should show me there's none of them have differences. If it does, then I have an issue. Either I didn't import them correctly. Did I click override on duplicates? Okay. I have a problem. I have many problems, not only one. Let's try to fix one by one. This thing should have a different value. I don't like the location of this thing, so let's move it here. The second thing is, whenever I change the crap, I should initialize first. Oh yeah, the font setting, I might need to change it as well. and something is not right. Why does he change the order of the stupid thing? I don't think it's my code. I think something went haywired in the designer. So maybe if I rebuild, it might fix it, but I don't know. Oh, this is the entire solution search. Ew. Well, think. Okay. Rebuild. No, sorry. Clean. Ah, too late. I don't see the symbol. Oh well. Clean. Rebuild. Oh, bo doo dee doo da da do da 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 do da 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 do be do ba bo you ah oh da dee da oh and do and do. Ta-da! Fidgeting like all of a sudden I just got stunned. I didn't know what am I doing. I'm going to check. Whenever I have choices, I want to debug these. So I don't want to check all the dialogues because that will take me like 499 or something. Can you focus for a second? I'm focused. 1 second. Enough. Okay, goodbye. Okay. Open Sesame. Open Yamharov. Open test. Yeah, this problem is kind of funny, annoying, and not funny at the same time. I don't know how to solve it, and I might kill something to make it work. I might force it actually every time I open the thing to reverse the 2. If I know how to do that dynamically. Because so freaking annoying. What the hell? Come on. Okay. Screw all of you. Yeah. Really? You didn't find any of them have, or maybe never reached the statement, which is even more dangerous. Hopefully no one will enter and see me doing this and go away far away. Like, what the hell did he get himself into? Tools. I forgot to register yesterday work. How many hours? I started around 12 afternoon, and for some reason I ended at 11:40 p.m. CD1B2, 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 and CD1B2, and CD1B. Wait a minute. Didn't I? Give me a second, give me a second, give me a second, give me a second. Wait. Sorry. We made a check before we add the choices to these dialogues, and that's why we failed, because we're adding the choices in here. See, we add them here, but actually we're checking if they are different or not in here. Congratulations. So it is order corrupt. So give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. I might need to do two conditions. Has different choices and has different dialogues, which already actually the current crap. But so if we have a different choices, we add the key. That's how you solve the problem. It's the other way around. So what we're going to do, actually we successfully made an import to the dialogues, and it works, and it fix but not the choices, and we do the drag thing, and we are working on this one. So we finish this, but here we have an issue. On has same dialogue check is done before we add the choices from Excel. To solve this, whenever we check the choices after we remove them, or we separate them from the dialog check, we add the D keys in the list so we can use their data. And it would be really nice to distinguish somehow, to add a way to distinguish. If let me write that down before I forget. It would be really nice if the program tell us what is the difference, different by some kind of markers, like is it choices, is it the Arabic localization. So it has been more than an hour. Better to go and take a walk and take a break for 10 minutes. So be right back. Wrong fucking timer. Mm, 10 is not enough. 12. Be right back. No, I should market it to something or something. Hopefully, if I work more than 2 hours, I will be really happy, man. Because today, usually I just go to sleep or do whatever. It's just because I am tired, sleepy, mm, tired, exhausted, not in the mood to work. Usually I just like skirt, but this is the second day in the week. I shouldn't skirt in the second day of the week. Sometimes I skirt at Friday, the last day of the week, and I was like, oh, fine. But second day of the week, it just no good, no good. That's why I need to take a walk. I really wanna just quit, quit working today. But my heart said no, no quitting. No quitting, you Mr. Quitter. And why? Oh, this. Oh, yeah. Let me let this sucker finish. So I can close it. I'm going to play a fast game. I know. I'm just texting instead of. It's my break time, okay? Screw you! 3 minutes remaining. Dun, dun, 7 minutes remaining. I might need to leave for a few minutes and then return and try to solve this issue. And it's a very weird issue. Actually, I have seen it before over and over and over. the order of the code. Yeah. So instead, we should make the check in here. So we shouldn't use the check in here. In the dialog for the choices, we should remove these. Let me just get the reply. Yes or no. Alright, back to work. No need to leave. But I don't think I will work more than 2 hours and a few minutes. But because I really want to run away now, so I don't think so. So let's get in here. Do these here. Oh come on, do. Oh, I need to stop the work. Okay. No, I closed it while it was doing the. Now the Excel process is still on, and I cannot close it because I need to press Ctrl Alt Delete, and when I do that, it crash. It crash OBS. It crashed the disable, unless if I turn on the disable, maybe, and do Ctrl Alt Delete, maybe, and then return the screen, and I quit. I quit. There's a trick. There's a trick. You know what it is? Close OBS and turn it on again really fast. That's the trick. Bye OBS. So hello OBS? OBS, are you there? Are we alive? Okay. So the internet will think it's a hiccup, but actually I turn on and off the OBS to open the and I done all of that for nothing. Oh, I didn't turn off the timer and it reversed again. What the hell? Anyway, where were we? So instead of checking the choices in here, we should make the check whenever we do this. Oh, I didn't even do the check. Haha! So what we're going to do, Oh man, this is totally screwed up. This is totally screwed up. I need to make more conditions. I cannot add the choices to something that doesn't exist in the first place. The D keys does not exist if the Alright. We check if the dialogues are different, and if they are not, we are not adding them to the list. To the temporary list to import them, alright? Then we load them in here. And before we add them, we should actually check if they exist. Okay. There's a lot of conditions in here. Maybe the dialogues actually are different already, but they're already in the list, and I don't need to actually to add the D key again. So we need to do a condition for that first. So if the D keys contains key of the current dialogue, then actually that save a lot of time for us, because that's mean they are brand new, or they exist and have differences between the existed ones in the file. Else, if they don't exist, oh fuck you, why did you, fuck you, no fuck you. Okay, calm down. He add the parentheses for me and I hate that. Autocomplete, what the hell, why did it autocomplete? The editor has been safe from this blasphemy for 10,000 years, and why did it change? Anyway, Abe. Oh, Ruckus, focus. So it exists in the D keys, that means it's either new or it's not the same. If it doesn't exist, that means it's the same. Or the table is wrong. That it add a choice because someone has manipulated and the dialogue doesn't exist. So the table info is wrong, which is, I don't want to go that far, because if I go that far, that means I'm screwed up. But I might. What if the table dialogue key is wrong and it doesn't exist? Maybe I should make a case for that. So to make case of that, we should say if it contain the current key. So just in case, I will put that here. If selected file dialog, current dialog, oh frick, I didn't make the choice yet, so choices dictionary, C key, has same choice. Oh man, but there are just many of them. That means I need to check all of them. Or not, we're just checking one by one. We still don't have this choice yet. We could make a temporary choice instead and just send the reference, and because the stupid thing will remove the reference from this side, hopefully. No, it might not, but this is a local function. We could use clone. Choice what now? X temp choice is equal to this. The choice if they are not the same, then we add the key add frick, but we already removed the data for the key. We already discarded this data. Frick. Just add the data from the selected file itself as a clone. Frick it. But we need to clone it without the choices, which is... I'm fucked. B1 believe. Choices dictionary clean. Now we add this choice. Wait. Yeah. Just to make sure it doesn't make reference crap. But wait, adding that in here is not enough. We need... Don't we need to add this to the list? What do you call it? Oh wait, this is the importer. Oh no, the system. This is the open, right? Yes, this is the open. So it should call dbox something. I drank so many. I drank too much coffee today. I should put this in overview or something. Here, this one. So whenever we detect a lie, we cry. This should false. Boo, haha. This should solve the problem, but let's test that. عن ابن الضحك قال معلش قال. The things I do when I don't want to work. Wait a minute. Does this show everything, even if it doesn't care? I believe, but I don't see it in here. Anyway, let's not choose it yet. Figured. So I really love it when my code just doesn't work. It's just like you just done all of this kind of wacky of going around to add the DKs, and I was just like, actually it's not there. I was like, what? Did I just write 7,000 years code to show you that to add the stuff? Well, we don't care. Okay. So you don't care, eh? You don't care, eh? So we need to check. And we need to check if we have Excel somewhere near, because it killed the task but it didn't abort the Excel. And why do we have these? Stupid. Add things. Hello. Okay. Open Sesame. محفوظ. Oh, it was fast because almost nothing in the game. Show you how much game development I have done in this 2 years project. The engine itself, I've been working on it since 2015, but this project inside the project, which is yeah, the game itself, yeah, started in October 2018, which is quite sad. I'm still not even near enough of work on it. So what went wrong? What went wrong? What went wrong? Didn't I tell you enough coffee already? Okay, let's see. It shouldn't contain this because there's no differences in dialogue. So we do the choices and then we check. Wait. If it doesn't has same choices. So there's two length. And the string should be yes and no, and this one is yes and no, and this one script is none, this one if tag is this one, so it's return true. Okay, so this one is safe, this one is different, this one as no and now wait, this is the same choice for the same dialogue. Okay, so the dialogue is fine, and now this is a different dialogue, and it has two languages, أعرف ذلك and أعرف ذلك, and the scripts is the same, and this one it says nope and nope, same. Okay, and this one wants to see Atari. Wait a minute, this is the third one. What went wrong? Didn't I have like didn't I have one of them have like anyway, this one is same, but the next one have a difference, I remember. But I believe one of them has like I deleted the tag or something. The class صناعة الألعاب, and this next one should says something different. Oh, I override them. Okay. The overridden already happened. Oops. So it shouldn't add them unless if there is differences. So we screwed up. So let's go to the dialogue. سيدي عبد الله اي والله راح المدينة اي والله yes, we will remove this. And in 12, or in, yeah, in 12, it's CD1F something. CD1F2. In this one, we will do class on الألعاب. We will, and save. Close. Close. I have an issue that I add this one in here. It shouldn't add this one in here unless it make the fucking check. Yeah, this one needs to be removed. If CDCP items I don't trust contains. Right. Let's test it again. It should only show CDP 2 and F4. It shouldn't show 12. I believe one of them, either 2 or 12. I didn't change. I need to test the import for the conversations as well, and the event as well after this, if this works in the first place. If I want to start a civil war, I will say programming is harder than drawing, because it seems there is a huge amount of protest on people who consider drawing is easy. I mean, nothing is easy in life, but there's a lot of people complain that there are people who are saying, see, B2, F2. So if I select B2, and it doesn't show me which one is different. Congratulations. And F2, I screwed up big time, didn't I? I screwed up big time because C1 doesn't show. And it doesn't show the old one. Or the ones that have differences. How can I tell? What's going on here? Why did I lose one of them? That's one of the things that I'm not sure what the heck happened. I have a lot of questions, and this is like one of the most that bothers me now. Why did I lose choice C1? Did I delete it? Did I? It didn't exist? Did I? Oh, it is here. It didn't load it from the first time or the second time. What about the first one? It has yes and no. So what's the difference? Why did I lose C1? The funny part is, if it got deleted by whatever, even when it read it from the file again, it lost it again. It's just like, wait, why? What's the difference? Why didn't I lose this one? This one is not in here because there's no differences. But this one we deleted the next CD 1B3. So if we check this one and we check the yes, it should has the dialogue here. But if we check the ones from the game file or the campaign file, correct. CD1B2. It should have no scripts. What? Didn't I delete it? I deleted, didn't I? What's going on? You blew it. Did I update this one by mistake? Before I do the import? Didn't I clone the things correctly? This is confusing. Okay, let's start over. I started out something. Let's start over. Maybe the cloning has failed. Just like life has failed me. Anyway, let me check the dialogues before I do. CD1, FA2, and I every time I click enter, nothing happened, boo. It has C1 and C2, C3, C4, but the stupid code has deleted them every one before something. Haha. So, this code is fucked up, in other words. What am I loading? I'm loading the tab de Perfecto. I'm loading the Watapato. I'm loading Patapato. Apparently the stream doesn't like quiet moments. It must constantly, all the time, have noise. Or it will tell you, no, there is no noise. Your stream is bad. It has some quiet moment. Why aren't you screaming? Anyway. So, yeah, it's bothering me like hell every time it pop up. Hey, 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 you're not making enough noise. Hey, 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 make more noise. Hey, hey, oh Jesus. Fuck off. Just like so this is CDB Abdullah something. What's the name? We they are not the same. Why? They failed in here. So one of them didn't have the script apparently, which is you're dead. Oh, it used the old clone crap. This didn't work. This didn't work. This did not work. This is the old clone. This doesn't work. This is crap. This is the earliest attempt to make clones. Look at me doing crap like this. Even the choices know their position. I really, you have a code that's written like 5 years ago. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? $40 minutes wasted on this error. Tasty. At least you got an idea how to debug. What's no okay. Because I wasn't clear enough how did I reach to the problem. Trying to put my hands slowly above it and below it, and getting closer to the center, checking all the lines that's related to the crap, and boom, you're dead. Fuck you. So and here CD 1 F2. It have 5 choices. Fuck you. You must select this. That's the code telling me. Like, where are you going to import the data? Are you going to put it in my ass or something? You must select a campaign. Fuck you. And the type as well. It's like, okay, calm down a minute. So here, we still have the same issues, at least. It's, it says the old one doesn't have yes, but I still lose C1 for some reason. Oh, is it because I didn't find any error in C1, so it didn't add them? Yeah. Now that's an interesting problem. So it's checked yes, then here it's checked yes has a difference. And it was like, oh, then we will need to add no because here it exists. There's something wrong, so let's add no as well. But in here, C1 is fine, so it didn't add it. And I was like, oh wait, C2 is wrong. And we add the here. So what we need to do is to check all the choices that we oh fuck me, no. Actually, one of the best way to I could not clear them, but the problem is if the new data in the table exists, it won't override them either. So either I override the data that exists when I load it again, or try to add all of the ones till this current one. So what we're going to do, this is so backward. For each key value bear string choice, ck in this, if, wait, we already have a ck, don't we? We have C key. If CK is equal to C key, break. If C key is equal to C key, as if someone is laughing too much, like yeah, okay, you need to calm down a little bit. Choices. Add C key value clone, and this should solve the problem forever, and then it will be forgotten and lost in a wave of code, and nobody will care or look at it ever again, and then play with what do we call command in English now? I'm so caffeinated that I'm I'm acting like a lunatic, which is the funny part is I couldn't raise my hand before I start working. I was so tired and I drank so much caffeine and I tried to encourage myself to work so much I became in this state. Usually this state is so taxing that it will kill me in a few minutes after I finish work. Again, the stupid thing told me fuck you, and I tell him fuck you in return, and I cannot export the dialogues from the game file, can I? Now that's another issue that I never thought about. And there you go. We have C2, C3, C4. Let's say import. And then when we go to deboard, did you hear that? Deboard. It should show me nothing. This is the ultimate test of no reason. Oh. Hmm. Maybe only when I say override duplicate, which is very third time. Third time the charm. Yeah, I need to fix that. When I do import, it should check if not only the changes in the dialogue, but the changes in the C, in the choices. Or make another loop to go through all the choices combo box. Yeah, I'll do that. But I already said override. That's mean fuck you, just do it. So it should not show me anything now. That's why I need to do another test. Yep. So let me screw the file manually. At least the test of fuck you, just do it is working. So in yes, we are going to remove this, the same issues, and in if, in C3 this time, we will change the Arabic one. Let's say القصة, we will make it a oops, like spelling issue, and save, close the code, and when we import, see here what says like no fuck you, do the changes, like that's what happened. Game core file, what's going on? Oh, this is for the game core. Okay. This is for the campaign. So we need to do both. So this one check all the D box R. So if it contains, it do the thing. If it doesn't contain it, add it. But where is if it contain? It's different. I don't see that. Ah, if it contain in here. This is confusing as hell. I know I'm quiet. Shut up. I need to close this or make it lower a little bit. I don't want to see the pop up. Okay. It's funny. I don't see because this one. I see. I see. So it doesn't show unless if there are differences at all. Okay. 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 So So here's the code we should play with. If it's not override, actually there is always an easier way, which is the thing is we always have much more dialogues that doesn't have choices unless if the game is قليلة حياة, the game is just too much. So we could we could make another check for int I is equal to 0, I is less than cdcp, items count I plus plus. And in here we can check if not keep the old checks. We override all of them. But we need to have a condition. If it's not all, if not keep the all check, and if it exists in the first place. So if it doesn't exist in the first place, then screw you. So and we are talking about this guy, not this guy. So this guy. We need to make a for each loop. From the ones in here. No, from the one in here. And this one again. Actually, I need to clean the choices dictionary as well. Add ck key, ck value, clone. And this should fix the problem, but only for the game files. Let's do it for the campaign. So instead of the game core file in here, we instead of the dialog dictionary, we will use this guy. Great. Pray to whatever god you worship, as that guy says. Game files. I always forget that the game files loading is not as long as it used to be because we made some reduction of bullshit. It used to, every time you load or edit the game files, do this procedure twice, which is very fun. So it was like a disaster. So in the dialog importer, we go to here, we go to here, we go to here. Hasta la vista, donkey. Oh, like it should show us that half of Sod became Bob, and one of them have something. I forgot what was. So here, and yes, it became yes. It doesn't have the script, and here Sod have a dot on it. So change, and we go to dialogues, and we go to CD1F2. Ta-da! It fixed it. So let's do the ultimate test. Let's see if detect differences, even though there's no differences anymore. It fixed it without telling it, hey, override all of them. Fuck it. Just do it. Just do it. I don't care. Do it. Okay. okay, I need to calm down. That's what this shake means. Like, just do it. Don't make a fuzzle or whatever. Just do it. And there you go. After we import, there is no differences. Let's do the conversation. We have zero conversation data in this file and zero event. Let's just load them and pray that it won't crash, and then I can call it a day. I can run in the park at night. Oh Jesus, it's already midnight. Oh. Nothing happened. Why? And oops, I have the file open. It might be one of the reasons. Let's just close it. Fuck you. So it failed for one reason or another. That's why we works. We work on the code. So here we load the conversation dialogues. Wait, really? It's conversation data actually. Oh well. It immediately failed. It show you how much fun is this. I should take a break. It's already been an hour. Come on. Why is it taking for so fucking long? Jesus. Figured. So the first one crash immediately. Like wow. Oh, it didn't finish the code? Yeah, I must close this sucker, but no problem. Just oh, for the fucking sake, close. Dum bidum 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 bidum. So it should be 2-1. The sharp, this thing. Why did it crash? Which table is it? This is the third table, not the second table anymore. Maybe I forgot to change the table. I don't see it assigning any sheets. What's going on here? Oh, it's doing it dynamically. So, when it's 1, the sheet 4. Really? Give me a second. 1. Oh, yeah, 4. So do you. Oh. Oh. Okay, yeah, okay. Here we take the data. It's correct. So it should be 1-1, not 1-2. So we should start from here. Can you continue, boy? Can you hear me, boy? Can you kill me, boy? Okay, fuck you. Cause, it's all of a sudden, are we here? I don't like what did you change? Okay, whatever. Close. Give me a break. I load the wrong file. Let's go here. Where are we? Oh yeah, tools, inverter, campaign, this, 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 this. Alright. So it worked. Not. I might screw up one of the numbers. So let's see, where does it take us? I should go and take a walk. Okay, so we made two tokens, William and Tamer, and now we should load the data where see the 01. So the 1 1 is the key, or sorry, 2 1 is the key, 2 2 is the avatar, and blah blah blah. So it should be the avatar William 0, the avatar William 0. So we are doing the right thing. I'm doubting this since the beginning. Oh frick. It should be J888. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8. Should it be 9? Oh. Wait a minute, the importer didn't import them in the correct position. Did it? What is this line? I believe we screwed up somehow. William, oh no, 8. 8, William. Eight and plus 4, which is 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Maybe I cannot remove operation. I can only change values. It might tell me, yeah, screw you, yeah. Anyway, better to take a break. So let's take a break. No, this is the large timer. So 190. Be right back. Oh God. Are you sure 10 minutes is enough? I want to continue working, but I really need to take a fast break. Did I take more than 10 minutes? I believe so. But who cares? Let's go back to work. Alright. And it's 11 again. 11 a.m. b.m. a.m. c.m. Ah. So we are back. Let's test it again. I believe I fixed what seems the issues, but we don't know. Making tools for fools. Imagine if it works and the events works without any issues with all the updates, and that's it. I'll call Dane and say screw you. You waited 20 minutes in a break for no reason. So, so here, campaign, conversations, nothing. You go to tools, 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 and load them as conversation type 1. And pray. Will it work? Please! Work! No. Let's see. Nope, it didn't. I wish I know which one was it. So let's up. Now I start to get hungry. Hungry. Oh, it's trying to parse. Trying to parse one of the numbers in here, but I don't know why I have trying to parse this number, but it doesn't exist for some reason, and I mistakenly removed the I in here. Why did I highlight the whole thing? Let me open an old file. See, there are numbers in here. And for some reason I didn't import them. What's going on? So let's go to the export. We fucked up in the export for some reason. And in the same times what? It seems I screwed up this one and I didn't fix it at all. Why? I believe I have a note on that. So apparently it's broken and I need to fix it, and I didn't fix it because I didn't know I broke it. I mean, whatever. So we finished with the choices, by the way. And we fixed all the issues with the choices, so we can say ta-da! So apparently, so we have two broken things: the import and the export. So let's go back to the export and let's delete all of the bookmark and put a new bookmark in here. I need to go and return in 5 minutes. Give me 5 minutes. Alright, we're back, and I completely forgot what I was doing. Congratulations. Okay. So in the export, somehow we done something, and there you go. Oh boy, this is an old code, and I changed how the things works. Yeah, it's not a number anymore. Oh wow. Frick, wow. Just wow. So what we're going to do, this should be 9 as well. Yeah, I went back and forth how I made the talker represent its side. Is he happy? Is he thinking? Is he? I went over back and forth. I changed it a lot, many times, trying to make the easiest and the most convenient way to use it in the long run. And yeah. So here, that's what's going on. Sorry. Um. And this should fix it. But before we do this, we need to export a new one. So let's close this, open this. Come on. Okay. We go to the campaign. Delete this one, or actually copy it first and call this one empty. copy the backup. Delete this one. Open this one. يا ربي الله. Game. Oh, I always forget loading the game doesn't take 7 years. They even made a new term in the calendar that every 7 years the compile finish. So just like the Sana Kabisa, every 4 years, the same map simulator year. I don't complain too much. It used to take only 580 megabyte. What just happened? Tool, export. I should add a button to select all. A mini task. And a button in the export page to select all conversations in the list. Yes. Close. Close. Delete. Take this one. Put it. Let me check the file. Tool. I didn't edit the videos. Hello. Alright. Now we can delete these and run the sucker. Why are you not laughing? I'm bored. We are going to enter Wednesday in 40 minutes. I don't care. This testing has been my pain. They don't care. There is no conversations. They don't care. Let's load all the conversations. They don't care. Time to load the جح والبطيخ, the watermelon. And what do you call بطيخ? The problem is watermelon is called بطيخ in some countries and called جح in our. Start loading. Start loading. It's working. Oh shit. This might screw up because the code is loading the old sides. It's all screwed up. So let's already go and check the import code. Oh. Oh, it should work then. So here we should be able to see all the data except the text of the dialogue itself, because it doesn't matter. This is just a reference. This side is always telling me 0. I wonder. Right. Seems working. Save. Import. Export. Import. Great. This is more complicated. This is the events. Oh. Yeah, computer space is the largest. Oh, خدعني. The computer space is the largest, so definitely this takes more time. What? Ready? The food is ready?
Yeah.
تبغى نطلع الستيك من عندي ولا
لا.
الستيك كافي؟
عندك كفاية.
تكفي ترسل قطعة لتهاني؟
مشكلة عندنا عندنا فينا.
الحق بعطيها اياها نو بروبلم.
أبغى تسولف هذه.
Anyway. Error. Wait. And frick. Oh frick. Now how can I tell which one has the error? This will be fun. The food is ready. I might leave you all and say goodbye. I don't know. Oh, you think it's because there was an act but it was empty and it crashed? I'm not sure. It might be the reason. But the funny part is it says it's a nub error. Seems fine. The funny part is I don't see the empty the filler that this one doesn't add it. So this is an issue, even though the export is exporting them in the correct way. This is a cancel event and I didn't program them, so we have two issues. Fix all conversations, data import and export. So we done all of these, and we need to do these two, and after they work I can say I fixed this one. So the filler time that doesn't have scripts or tags doesn't get added, or from the table are not added, or Excel table in the inverter. Conversations that does not have an event crash, either don't export them or ignore them on import. So we have two issues. I'm going to eat, I might return at work, I might not. Either case, thank you for